guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you the Bingo of Shame. And for our palette, at least the one I'm using, is the Cosmic Beauty Muse. So if you want to see the look we're going to create and everything about Bingo of Shame, let's get right on into it. Sandra has taken over as host of Bingo of Shame. Her tag and all the pertinent details, what I'm wearing on my face, anything you could possibly need or want will be listed in the description box down below. But now the way Bingo of Shame works is everyone in the group, the Instagram group, listed a neutral palette and a colorful palette. So there are two wheels and they get spun every month. So the neutral palette, I believe this month was Blend Bunny Dollhouse. I just know I didn't have it and I'm not duping palettes this time around. And then this was the colorful option, the Cosmic Beauty Muse, which was hilarious because I literally just bought this palette. So it was a sign that it was a good thing I bought it because I just got this. Got it off Mercari. So if you don't know what the Muse looks like, here she is in all of her glory. She is stunning. I am so very excited. And then there's always a monthly theme. And this month's theme is Sailor Moon, which I did watch as a kid. I very vividly remember watching Sailor Moon and loving the main character, but like I couldn't tell you anything about Sailor Moon. Now, it's gone. We do have Scooter's coffee. It is s'mores is today's flavor. And I did already pre-randomize my Bingo of Shame shades. And I think I got a pretty cohesive color story considering this is a little all over the place. So, let's swatch. I got shade number 12, so 5, 10, 11, 12, which is the shade Pine, which is this dark, like, foresty green, which I was real excited about. Look how it swatches. It's got like a blue undertone. Like when I wipe it on my wipe, you can see like that blue. So I'm excited. Then I got the shade 13. And when I tell you, when I was spinning, I got the shades 12 and 13 like 6 times. I was like, you guys, I get it. 12 and 13. So the shade 13 is Muse, which is this like pink with gold, which I think is really pretty. That's probably going to be my inner corner shade. This is going to be my outer corner deepening shade. I already know that. Then I got the shade 6, which is Inspire, which is like a green gold, which I'm not in love with, but I think this is going to be my lid shade. But I do like that both of our shimmers have some gold running through them. And like the green goes with the green. Those are the only 2 shimmers I got. So I'm pretty sure this is going to go all over the lid. And that's going to be my inner corner. That's what I'm feeling. Then I got the shade 17. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. That is the shade Willow. And Willow is like a dark baby poop green is the best way, but it swatches a little more like gray brown on the skin. Like it's got that baby poop green in there, but it's also got like brown and gray. So then I was like, all right, I've got to at least do one more shade because usually it's 5 to 8 shades, but it's whatever you're comfortable with doing. So I always like just start like randomizing shades and I'm swatching my color story and I just go until I'm happy with however many mattes and shimmers and the color story I got. Whether that's 5, 8 shades, 10. And then the last shade I pulled was shade 11, which is the shade Softly, which is this like slate gray, which I think is going to be the shade we start with. That is the color story. And I think I pulled another shade And it was, yeah, I pulled another shade and it was Fig, and I was like, I'm not using that. So we stopped here. Because I always like pull an extra shade just to see what it's gonna be. And then I decide yes or no if I'm gonna keep that extra shade because like I got my color story. So that is what we're working with. I am going to prime my eyeball with the Julep Shadow Stick in Desert Matte. I feel like, because normally, because I've gone through several of these, if you're not new here, you know that. If you are new here, I think this is my third one of Desert Matte, but I've also gone through Vanilla Matte, which I didn't like, it was yellow, and Clay Matte, which was pink, but it was like a shade too dark. So Desert Matte is my favorite. This is all I have left of it already. I feel like, oh, no! It's broken. Well, I love that I caught that on camera, but I'm flying through this one. And I hate that for me. Hopefully I can keep this. Okay, it still spins, so I've just got to keep it down. Be gentle with it. Does it still work? She still works. At least it just fell on my desk and not on the floor, because then I'd have to like throw it away. Because Blaze Mirror's litter box is right next to where I film, and so if makeup falls on the floor, it is just dead to me. So, yeah, there's that. Where's my brush? How are you guys? How's it going? I'm gonna zoom you in 2 seconds, but how's it going? How are things? Things are good here. My hearing aid is taking a crap on me. I literally don't think I can hear out of this ear with my hearing aid in. It originally started as like it just wouldn't connect to my phone, and now I think it's just not, because like now it won't connect at all. And I think it's just not working, period. They are under warranty, but I literally only get one replacement of each individual hearing aid under my insurance, and that's it. So like I just got them into, if I already need to replace my one hearing aid, I'm gonna be really, really pissed. So I'm gonna start with the gray, go into this shade, go into that matte, all over the lid, inner corner. That's what I'm feeling. That's what we're doing. It might be a bad idea. Oh, I said I was gonna zoom you in. Let me zoom you in. I always forget that I can do that with this. Today is a good panning day. I hit pan in my bronzer doing my look today, and I finished off foundation. So it is a good day. What else is going on? I think I have to call the dentist about my tooth, because I told you guys I got my tooth pulled. And I think I'm having complications. All of my gums on the inside where my tooth was pulled are like sticking out, and it's like it hurts and they're throbbing. So I think later today, because the dentist is not open yet, because I film early in the morning. But I think later when they're open, I gotta call them and be like, excuse me, can I get in to be seen? Is that a thing we can do? Pretty please. I like this shade. I think that it looks nice. So now I'm gonna go into Willow. And let's see if we can muddy it on up. But I have a hearing aid appointment this week. They made me an appointment to look at my hearing aids this Friday. So hopefully something will come of that. Like I said, I don't know what we're gonna do or what they're gonna try to calibrate or what. I have no idea. But I'm gonna be really mad if we have to use that warranty already. But if we do, we do. I kind of need working hearing aids or they're pointless. I really like this willow shade. I'm probably going to go back into Softly just to blend out the top edge here. Never be scared to go back into shades you've already used to re-intensify the blend. It takes more time, but it'll make it look nicer. Yeah. And then let's take a little brush and go into Pine. I just realized those three shades are all right next to each other. I'm just gonna take that right on the edge here. I'm on the edge of glory. And I'm just kind of stamping this shade where I want it. And then I'll take it and sweep just a little bit right there. That's it. So I don't need any of those brushes. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take a little bit of Pine. I need my switch. And then I'm going to go into Willow. Blend Willow into Pine. And then do my switch, do my switch, do my switch. And then take Softly. And first I'm just really gonna put that on the inner part. And then use it to blend out the bottom edge. And boom, there's the mattes. That is everything we're doing. So then I'm going to take NYX glitter glue, as you do. It's going to be stuck in my head now. I'm on the edge of glory. Da, 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 da. I need to open up my makeup wipe because it's already super dirty. And like I said, I'm going to take Inspire, the greeny gold, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. That's a pretty color. Prettier than like my brain was anticipating the color to be. And then on my pinky, I'm gonna go into Muse. And I'm gonna put that on the inner corner and like the inner little bit of my lid. I dragged it a little bit on the bottom, a little bit on the top. That is gorgeous. It's giving grungy. So now I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera. I'm gonna do, I think, brown liner. I think would look best with this because right now I'm working on caramel, brown, and blue. So I'm thinking out of my options, brown is the way to go. And then I have Tarte Maneater mascara is what I'm working on. And then I'll pick out a lip because I have no idea what lip I'm gonna wear. I might just do a black lip. But I'll come back, show you what lip that I put on and the final look. So give me just a second. All right, and this is the final look for lips. I went in with the ColourPop Plumping Lip Liner in Mocha Latte and the Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick in More Sepia. So that is what I decided to do. And this is the final look. I think it turned out super cohesive and really nice. I love the pop of the pinky gold on the inner corner. That is my favorite part of the entire look. Beautiful quality, as always. I only have 2 Cosmic Beauty palettes, but if you've watched any of my project pans, you know that Serenity is a frequent flyer because I just love it so much. And I could see me pulling this in for a lot of things. I am very excited to get some use on this guy. So Muse is a hit. This is the look that we created. I'm so very, very happy that this was pulled in and that I've gotten to participate in every one of the Bingoofshames so far for at least something, whether it be the theme or one of the palettes. I've had a lot of fun so far. So that is gonna do it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was nice. Let me know if you want to see like full get readies with me for Bingoofshame because I could do that. Otherwise I try to keep Bingoofshame just for the eye makeup because that's really what we're here for, but I could do full get ready with me too. I could change it up. That is gonna do it for today. Again, any other questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and I will get back to you there. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.